Hi everyone, I'm Kato. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're gonna paint more purple and blue color. And this is the color that we're gonna use. Let's get started. I've bought this blue from China, and this is the first time that I order online and see what the quality is. So this is a box with only 5 grams. So you got a like some chips. And now I'm gonna add a bit of water and just give it a few minutes and see how long it's gonna take to dissolve these chips to get the color out. While we're waiting, to mix the purple, we need blue and red. And the type of red that we're going to use is crimson red. I've introduced it before, and I'll leave a link to another video which I've demonstrated how it works, but I'll do it again. And so again, this is also like 5 grams of the same brand, and it comes in the chips form. I don't really know if this color is all natural, but let's see. And this is the color that I've been using, so I'll just add a few like new ones. Add some water. It's been 5 minutes, so I have a good feeling about this color. Yes. Okay, I'm going to move it closer. When it's smooth like this without any residuals, and that's a good color. Yeah, this is actually pretty good. And then when we need purple, the magic is to use this blue and mix with this red. See that? I'm going to show you. Piece of paper. I'm going to show you what it looks like. That's the purple that we're going to paint. Today we are going to paint this interesting plant called Mucuna Championii. Mucuna is a type of climbing fan that has many species, and this particular one is native to Hong Kong. It is in purple color, and that's what we're going to paint today. I've mixed some green with a touch of red to paint the stems. As you can see from my video, the flowers are abundant when they blossom, so I'm going to leave some white space for the flowers. The form of Mucuna plant is very unique. The calyx or sepals look like this shape of a bird's head, and that's the way I'm painting right now. Now I'm painting the second part of the plant, which is the banner, and it looks like the wings of the birds. Now I'm painting the third part of the flower, which is the petals. I think that you can paint it a little swings out a bit, depending on the angle that you're looking at the plant, because now that I'm painting the plants as stripping down, so it really doesn't matter. The petals are actually called wings, and it's the same color as the banner. However, I want to make it distinctive, so I'm using a different shades. That's why I'm painting these two parts separately. There is another species in Hong Kong that is light apple green, and I'm gonna paint those in some other videos in the future. So if you're interested in seeing more demonstration, please stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and press the bell notification button so that you don't miss out any future videos. Now I'm painting one more here. And I've mixed some yellow with the crimson red to paint the cariners. The cariners should really be in light green color, but I just think that this color may be more interesting. Now I'm taking some ink to paint the vines. The great thing about painting climbing plants is that there is no fixed directions or how the vine's going to look like, as long as you like it. And so I just go with the flow and then paint it the way that I want to be. Now I'm painting a couple of birds. This is their chest. It's a mix of yellow, orange, and a bit of red. And then the back and the wings and the heads are all gonna be just ink. I like the subtlety of Chinese painting. The use of ink in most of the painting to make the overall look more subtle and Chinese. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. I'll see you next time.